this one looks the best. Amelia, which one?
I think I like this one the best.
So we're about to start a challenge, guys. We're going to muddle all these stones up. We're going to put them into a big bowl. So let's just do this now. So, la la la, la la la, la la la. Right, Amelia, let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes! It's like she knows! Guys, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up if you love Halloween, guys. It's going to be such an awesome season. Amelia, are you excited for Halloween?
Yes.
I am. I love it. The spookiness, the scariness, the creepiness. It's round one, guys. I'm going to go first. So Amelia, turn around. I'm going to muddle them up a bit and put this one there and this one there and all of these here. I'm going to... Okay, Amelia, you pick. Close your eyes. So you're going to go for
This
one. Oh. Okay, pick two more. Close your eyes.
This one.
Ooh. And last one.
This one.
Ooh. They're going to be interesting. So it's my turn. So muddle them up for me.
Those are my ones. Okay, you can choose now.
There we go. Okay, I'm going to go for this one. Oh, is that a bad choice? This one. And this one.
Lucky.
I got white with pink. I got blue and I got another white with pink.
Oh.
Woo! I really want it clear. Amelia, you're lucky. You've got clear glow.
I think this is the creepiest one on the table,
Yeah.
guys. Comment down below if you think it is.
Yes, it definitely is. So, you ready to cut it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to go for this blue one first. This is Genie from Aladdin's hand.
I'm going to cut this one first because I want to get all the glitter out of it.
Okay, so snip. Okay, and I'm going to snip here. Cut, cut, cut. There we go. And I'm going to cut there. I'm going to cut there. Oops, I accidentally cut it. I'm going to cut there. I'm going to put it there and I'm going to try and take this out.
Uh-oh, it's on my fingers. Squeeze all this stuff out.
Ooh.
Oh, it's going all over my hands.
Ah, another finger fell in. Oh no. Okay.
Fingers going for a swim.
Yeah. Fingers going for a glue swim. I'm almost done. Why do these keep falling off?
I'm always
Caught that one.
almost done with the first hand.
And I think I'm done with the first hand.
Me too.
Ooh, I got gooey hands. Scary, scary, scary. Okay, so I'm going to go for this one next. It sort of looks red, but I can also see the white glue. So let me snip. Snip. Oh, that looks so cool. Snip. Snip, snip. Snip, snip. Hey, do you know what this reminds me of? I think it looks like Aquafresh at the moment. It looks so weird.
I think it's just going to be like a sparkly pink slime at the moment, but I'm not sure if it'll form.
I'm squeezing guts out at this very moment. Okay, I think I'm done. Amelia, you almost done?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to move on to the last hand.
Guys, I've got the creepiest one and I'm about to cut it. Oh my goodness. What's it going to turn out like? No, it's going in.
Oh, I feel bad. At the same time, I don't.
Is it going to form into slime?
Maybe, maybe not. Okay, I am cutting. What's white? I'm cutting teeth out. This is teeth soup, guys. Oh, I love some teeth soup. It's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right,
like,
come
it's
in.
So nice.
I boiled it this morning. Fresh human teeth.
Oh my goodness, someone's farting. Oh my goodness, look at my hands. It's all red.
That's why you never go for human hands. You go for vampire hands.
Okay.
Like me. Squeezing their tooth.
I just wanted to see if human hands will be good or not, but now I know it's just he is vampire.
We're witches. You never get human hands. You get human eyeballs because that makes lovely soup. But if you want a hand stuff, you use vampire hands. So guys, we're gonna mix our human. Wait, no, not human. That's hers. I'm gonna mix my vampire hands, and I'm gonna see what color it turns out. Amelia, you're gonna mix your vampire and human hands.
Okay, look, I can make a spider web.
Ooh, I love spider webs. Right, let's mix. Okay. Ooh, it looks like aqua puree.
Wow, mine's so pretty.
Ooh, it's coming out a nice color. Mine's coming out a purple.
Yeah, this orangey pinkish colour has definitely overpowered everything. Oh my goodness, look, it's like slime already.
Really?
It's thick.
Mine's really thick. Like, mine's really runny, but it's like a thick glow. You knocked the candle! You never knocked the candle! You're gonna get cursed. Oh no.
No, I'm gonna get cursed for the rest of my life.
We did tell you to never knock the candle. Guys, we're adding the activator in, and you're gonna see the slimes in 3, 2, 1. Here's our slimes, guys. So Amelia's is a really nice sparkly neon orange or neon pink.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah, and it looks so cool. Even though she did have a human green red hand, it still came out nice. And here's my vampire hocus pocus purple slime. Actually, oh, I made a bubble. But it actually came out really good, guys. Comment down below who made the best slime in this round. So you ready to move on to round 2?
Yep.
And this time, no more human hands.
So guys, it's the final round. So it's your turn.
To pick.
Yep.
So muddle them up for me.
Turn around.
And I most definitely will not get a human hand like this bad witch here.
Okay, you can pick.
1, 2, 3. I really wanted this one. Were you trying to hide them away?
Yeah.
I wanted the clear one.
I want this one, and this one.
Okay, your turn to turn around, and I'm gonna muddle them up. Okay, wait. Okay, Amelia, turn around. I'm gonna hold your head there. What? Oh, no, you're going to... Oh, uh-oh. You sure about that one?
Yeah.
2. Which one? 3.
Oh, I did want that one instead, but at least I got 2 good colours I wanted. Don't you think that this one looks so creepy?
Yeah.
Because it's like clear glue with like green and black glitter in it.
Are you sure you didn't get another human hand?
Oh no.
Guys, I just watched the clip and I accidentally muddled it up. I had the purple one instead of the pink one, so let's switch it back. So the pink one is all by itself. Okay, let's cut him. So I'm gonna go for Frankenstein's hand.
I'm going to go for this super cool one.
Are you sure? Is that a monster hand?
Yes, I think so.
I don't want no human hands. You need monster hands.
Okay.
Ooh, I think the green's gonna actually overpower. Ooh, okay. Uh-oh, accident.
Oh no, the finger thing.
Yeah, I know. One of my fingers came off. Let's just squeeze it. Squeeze this Frankenstein hand.
Oh my goodness, look at my thumb.
I'm turning into Frankenstein now.
Oh
no. Oh, Shrek.
Oh, Shrek.
So now I'm gonna go for the Simpsons hands. Okay, I'm gonna snip the Simpsons hands off now. So I believe this is Marge's hand. Yes, this is Marge's
Now
hand.
I'm just cutting off Shrek's hand. Cutting up Shrek's hand to make a lovely.
That's not Shrek's
suit.
hand.
Well, someone's hand. I can't remember whose hand I cut off.
Was it Mavis from Dracula?
Yeah, I think
Maybe.
it was.
My matches my hair. Oh, no, Marge, your finger can't go in this soup. I'm not making finger soup today.
Squeezing all the guts out.
Oh.
Yummy. Yay.
And now the last one is Barney's hand. It's Barney's hands because you know who Barney is. That little monster thing that sings along. So, Barney, snip, snip. Do, 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 do. It's not the same colour. I thought it'd be lighter, but it's not. It's a different purple. Barney. Ooh.
Your hand's guts is a lie.
What?
I'm just squeezing in this right now and I think I'm done, so I'm going to go on to the next one. And this one's Shrek's hand that I cut off earlier. Wahaha.
Guys, check out all these colours. I love every single one of these colours. I've got Frankenstein's, I've got Marge's, and I've got Barney's. And Amelia, how are you doing?
I've got Mavis's hand,
Dracula?
yeah, Dracula's hand, and I have Shrek's hand.
Alright guys, so we're about to mix our mixture. And guys, pause the video and comment down below what colour you think is going to come out. I think mine's going to come out this colour. Okay, you ready to mix?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Wow, look at mine, it's so pretty. But I still don't know what colour it's going to turn out.
And as I predicted, I made cement soup. A disgusting cement soup. At least it's a kind of creepy colour though, to be honest. Like, I'm going to enjoy this for supper tonight. Ooh, I can't wait.
And mine's like a pinkish Halloween colour. Oh, it's so pretty.
So guys, our colours this round look more Halloween-y than they did last time. Like, ours was like pretty nice. Like, Amelia had a neon one and I had a purple one. And mine is a swamp colour. But we're about to add the activator and turn it into slime. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Wow! So here's my mixture, guys. It's an army green colour. Oh, it's going everywhere.
This is mine, guys, and it's like really thick. And it's hurting my arms because it's so thick and big. But it looks amazing.
Can we swap, Amelia?
Yeah, let's feel each other's.
I went on my t-shirt.
Sorry.
I will curse you forever. Comment down below who won the challenge, guys. Amelia the kid witch or Ruby the teenager witch. Make sure you subscribe if you're new and give this video a huge thumbs up, guys. And we'll see you next time.